almost 89% of my total portfolio is invested in Canada. And over 67% of my Canadian portfolio is invested in the stock market. Hello and welcome to my channel, and today's episode, I will share with you my 5-year experience investing in the Toronto Stock Exchange or TSX. So, if you are ready, let's do it. I started investing in the Canadian stock market in 2019, 1 year after I started working in the mining industry. I started with a $5,000 initial capital in which I invested $3,000 under the Registered Retirement Plan or RRSP and $2,000 under the Tax-Free Savings Account or TFSA. For Canadians, I assume that you know the advantages of investing under these tax-sheltered investment vehicles. Anyways, 2 years later in 2021, I also opened a regular or popularly known as cash account, but I keep it in small amount since income from this investment is subject to tax. So, after continuously investing more than 50% of my net income from my full-time job, I was able to invest more than $153,000 in the span of 5 years. Now, how much did I earn from my investments? Investing is like any other business. You don't expect a big returns in a small capital, as shown in my first 3 years of investing. In 2022, on my 4th year of investing, I reached the $100,000 portfolio, and that's where I started earning a substantial amount. So, Charlie Munger was right when he said that the hardest stage of investing is achieving your first $100,000 portfolio. After that, it's way much easier. Anyways, my total earnings in the span of 5 years was $38,686. In terms of market value, my $5,000 initial investment in 2019 is now $192,102 as of December 31, 2023, thanks mainly to my automated monthly capital infusion and the reinvestment of all the dividends and capital gains. The general market was down in 2023 and so was my investment, but we have a good rebound towards the end of the year, so I expect a better result in 2024. Meanwhile, as of December 31, 2023, 62.8% of my investment is under TFSA, 31.2% is on RRSP, while only 6% is on regular or cash account. Also, I am using 5 brokers, namely Investor Line of BMO, Investor's Edge of CIBC, Direct Investing of RBC, Webroker of TD Bank, and Questrade. You might be asking why too many brokers? Well, first, I segregated my investment based on purpose, like investment for retirement or for buying real estate. Secondly, I segregated my investment based on strategy, like dividend investing, swing trading, or a combination of both. In summary, after 5 years of investing, it looks like I was barely even. I was up in the first 2 years and then down in 2021, then up again in 2022 only to go down again in 2023. But along the way, I learned many valuable lessons that lead to the improvement of my portfolio. But some mistakes cost me some investment, like high-yield stocks that gave high dividends only to fade away during bear market. I also learned the hard way that sticking with good companies during market downturns is way much better than switching to defensive stocks, because when the rally begins, the defensive stocks is left behind by a wide margin. Nonetheless, I patted myself in the back for investing regularly, regardless of the market condition. Who would have thought that I can reach a 6-digit portfolio on my 3rd year of investing, considering that my only source of fund is from my full-time job? Well, that's it, folks. Investing in the stock market is less complex than I would have thought. It's only 5 years, but the habit of accumulating wealth has been exciting. If you found this video entertaining and educational, please subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified when I upload my next video. Adios.